The image I've done for the project is about communication, and in the photograph there are two spaces, one black and white and one in color, and there is a communication in between these two spaces. The reason why I work with staged photography is more or less that it enables me to decide the setting and the content and everything with the image, basically. I don't fool around making images that doesn't mean anything to me. The images I do should have a connection to something in my life or something experienced that it feels necessary to talk about. Photography is that's the love of my life, basically, both as a technique and as a phenomenon in society.